sure the baby birds eat. We got snow coming possibly this week. Make sure them babies got food. I put it on the railing so the cats can't get to them. Neighbors got cats and the birds will see them before they can stalk them, get up there and get to them. Sweet little babies. I got a bird feeder, but they fight, so I spread it all on top round, and then they got elbow room. Love watching them little babies. Have a good day, everybody. Little chubs. Got some starlings in there. Don't you big birds be picking on the babies. There's enough racism in this world. There goes the neighborhood.